ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णे नैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഇറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare. Welcome to the class. See, Nikki, I think last week, number 31, we finished at like second stanza or something. So we'll do a revise 30 today. So Priya, can you chant 30? Ramesh, ungala 30 சொல்ல முடியுமா?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
sir.
So Priya, நீங்க first போங்க, Priya Ramesh. And then Srividya, both the Srividyas, you can be students today for the new chapter. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Priya, you can start whenever you're ready.
कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। शक्रेण संयति हतोऽपि बलिर्महात्मा शुक्रेण जीविततनुः क्रतुवर्धितोष्मा विक्रान्तिमान् भयनिलीनसुरां त्रिलोकीं चक्रे वशे स तव चक्रमुखादभीतः पुत्रार्तिदर्शनवशाद् अदितिर्विषण्णा तं काश्यपं निजपतिं शरणं प्रपन्ना मत्पूजनं तदुदितं हि पयोवृताख्यं साध्वादशाम् अचरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णां
Can you say that again on the last line?
साध्वादशाम्
Shaha.
अचरत् त्वयि
Sadvadashaha. Shahamachar. Yeah, ha irukkum.
ओके साध्वादशाहम् अचरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णां तस्यावदौ त्वयि निलीनमतेरमुष्याः श्यामश्चतुर्भुजवपुः स्वयमाविरासीः नम्रां च तामिह भवत्तनयो भवेयं गोप्यं मदीक्षणमिति प्रलपन्नयासीः त्वं काश्यपे तपसि सन्निधः ददत्तदानीं प्राप्तोऽसि गर्भमदिते प्रणुतो विधात्रा प्रासूत च प्रकटवैष्णवदिव्यरूपं साध्वादशी श्रवणपुण्यदिने भवन्तं पुण्याश्रमं तमभिवर्षति पुष्पवर्षैः हर्षाकुले सुरगणे कृततूर्यघोषे बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं जय जयेति नुतः पितृभ्यां त्वं तत्क्षणे पटुतमं वटुरूपमादाः तावत् प्रजापतिमुखैरुपनीयमौञ्जी दण्डाजिनाक्षवलया दिभिरर्च्यमानः देदीप्यमानवपुरीशकृताग्निकार्यः त्वं प्रास्थिता बलिगृहं प्रकृताश्वमेधं गात्रेण भाविमहिमोचितगौरवं प्राक् व्यावृण्वते वदरणीं चलयन्नयासीः छत्रं परोष्मतिरनार्तमिवाददानो दण्डं च दानवजनेष्विव सन्निधातुम् तां नर्मदोत्तरतटे हयमेधशालाम् आशीदुषी त्वयि रुचातवरुद्धनेत्रैः भास्वन् किमेष दहनोऽनुसनत्कुमारो योगीनुकोऽयमिति शुक्रमुक्कै शशङ्के
Baswan. Okay, and the third line.
भास्वान् किमेष
Baswan. I think you said Baswan. சொன்ன மாதிரி இருந்தது. It's Baswan.
भास्वान् किमेष दहनोऽनुसनत्कुमारो योगीनुकोऽयमिति शुक्रमुखैः शशङ्के आनीतमाशु भृगुभिर्महसाभिभूतैः त्वां रम्यरूपम् असुरः पुलकावृताङ्गः भक्त्या समेत्य सुकृती परिनिज्य पादौ तत्तोऽयमन्वधृतमूर्धनि तीर्थतीर्थम् प्रह्लादवंशजतया क्रतुभिर्द्विजेषु विश्वासतो तदीदं दितिजोऽपि लेभे यत्ते पदाम्बुगिरिशस्य शिरोविलाल्यं सत्वं विभो गुरुपुरालय पालयेताः। श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः।
Ramesh mute ல இருக்கே.
Okay, sorry, click on varla. Okay.
Yeah.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Chakrena sanyati hatopi balir mahatma. Shukrena jivita tanu krivartitoshma. Vikrantiman bayanilina suram trilokim. Chakre vase satava chakra mukatapitaha.
Ramesh second line மட்டும் kratu, okay? Kratu. Second line
Second
last.
line.
Kratu.
Krituvartitoshma.
Yep.
Right?
Correct.
Vikrantiman Bayanilina Suram Trilokim Chakre Vasetava Chakramukatapita Putrati Darshana Vasa Dadirvishnaha Tam Kashyapam Nichapatim Sharanam Prapanta.
First line ஒரு signal. Putrarthi Darshana.
Putrati Darshana Vashata Tidirvishna.
நீங்க வஷாத்துன்னு சொன்னா அதிதிர்விஷன்னா
Adir o
வஷாத்
Varshati
அதிதிர்
Tadirvishna.
அதிதிர் விஷன்னா
Sorry.
விஷன்னா.
Vishanna.
Yeah.
Putrati Darshana Vasadirvishna. Vishanna. Correct? Okay. Tam Kashyapam Nichapatim Sharanam Prapanta Vatpujanam Tatutitam Hi Bhavo Vratakyam Satvada Sahama Kshatravi Bhakti Purna Tasyavadhau Tvayi Nilina Madhora Mushyaha Matera Mushyaha Syamaschadurbhujavu Swayama Virasi Namram Chatamiha Bhavatyanayo Bhaveyam Kopyam Madikshana Madi Prapalapanyasi Tvam Kashyape Tabasi Sannitita Tatanim Praptosi Garbhamadito Pranuto Vitatra Prasutacha
Garbhamadite, not madito. Second line. Garbhamadite.
Praptosi Garbhamadito Madite.
Madite.
Praptosi Garbhamadite Pranuto Vitatarara Prasuktacha Prakata Vaishnava Divyarupam Satvadasi Shravana Punyatine Pavantam Punyashramam Tamapi Varshati Pushpavarshaihi Harsha Kule Suragane Kritadurya Koshe Bhatvanchalim Jaya Jayeti Nutha Praputyam
Pitrubhyam.
Bhakvanchalim Jaya Jayoti Nutha Pitrubhyam Tvam Takshane Padutama Vadurupamataha Tavat Prajapati Mukhairupaniya Maunjini Thanda Jita Janakshaval Valayati Prapatyamanaha
Danda Jinaksha Valayadi Bhirarchyamanaha
Tanda Jinaksha Valayadi Priyarchyamanaha Teti Manaha Teti Pyamavana Purisha Kritak Nirgargya Swam Prastita Paligriham பலிகிருகாஸ்வமேதம்
அந்த கடைசி லைன்ல இஸ் இல்ல, அந்த இஸ் you should remove because the,
காத்ரேன பாவி
Ramesh,
மகிமோசி
hello, சரி, அந்த fourth lineல
என்னதுல
the fourth lineல is கிடையாது because in the third lineல we put the கிருதாக்னி காரியஹன்னு சொல்லிட்டோம் இல்லையா. so அந்த fourth lineல வந்து is கிடையாது, you should remove the is out.
ஆ
so it's just tvam prastita.
ஓ துவம்
Yeah.
துவம்
Okay.
ஆ ஓகே
Okay,
ஓகே
let's go on. Next take quickly.
त्वं प्रास्थिता बलिगृहं प्रकतास्त्वमेतं कात्रेण पाविमहिमोचितगौरवं पराक व्यावृण्वदेवतरणिं सलयन्दन्यासी छत्रं परोष्मतिरान्त्रमिवाततानु दण्डं च तावन जने विश्वसन्निधातुम्
The dandam cha danava janesh viva sannidatu. Danava janesh viva.
दण्डं च तानव जनेष्विव सन्निधातुम्
Yep.
तां नर्मदे तरतण्डे हयमेतशाला आशोदिषि
Asedushi.
आसेदुषि त्वयिरुचा तव रुद्रनेत्रैः पास्वान् किमेष दहनोऽनु सनत्कुमारो योगीन कोऽयमधिचुक्रमुखैः शशङ्के.
Second line la வந்து ending வந்து is ruddha, not rudra. R கிடையாதுங்க, just ruddha.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, that's why you can just make a note and you can go to the next one.
Okay, fine. आनीतमासु बृहभिर्महाशपाभिभूतैः त्वां रम्यरूपमसुरः फुलावृताङ्गः भक्त्या समेत्य सुकृतिपरिनिज्य पातौ तत्तोयमन्वन् कृतमूर्ति तीर्थम्.
Second line வந்து just make a note, pulakha vritangaha. It's a kha there. Okay, pulakha. Yeah,
Pulaka Vrithanga, right?
correct. Yeah, okay.
Twamram Yarupa Masura Pulaka Vrithanga Bhaktya Sametya Sukriti Parinijya Padau Tatto Yamanvat Kritamurti Dhirta Dhirtam Prahlada Vamsa Jataya Krudubirtvijeshu Vishwashathonu Tatitam Titijopilophe
Lebe.
Vishwatatonu Tatitam Tijepilepe Yette Patambu Girisasya Sirobilalyam Satvam Vibho Gurupuralaya Palayeta.
Shri Krishna.
Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. கொஞ்சம் நிறைய பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணல, சாரி.
No, I think slowly சொல்லிக்கங்க, அவசரம் nothing, no reason of going fast. Yeah, ஏதோ ஒரு word கூட சொல்லிக்கலாம். So okay, all right, so we'll start. I think last time we finished stanza 2, right? We ended at 2, I believe. 2 finish பண்ணிட்டோம். So
I don't think we started, Rajesh.
அப்படியா?
நான் தான் விட்டேனா?
இல்ல we started.
We started.
We did first two. Yeah.
First two முடிச்சிருக்கோம். Okay, so we'll start. I'll say the first two, then we'll start with the third one today.
ஒரு நோட்ஸ்ல மார்க்கே பண்ணிக்கலையா, அதனால நான் சொல்லவே இல்லைன்னு நினைச்சுட்டேன்.
Okay, no problem. प्रीत्या दैत्यः तव तनुमः प्रेक्षणात् सर्वतापि त्वामाराध्यन्नजित रचयन्नञ्जलिं सञ्जगाध मत्तः किं ते समभिलषितं विप्रसूनो वद त्वं वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये तामक्षीणां बलिगिरमुपाकर्ण्य कारुण्यपूर्णोऽपि अस्योत्सेकं शमयितुमना दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन् भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थयामासित त्वं सर्वं देहीति तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्. Start from 3 today. विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे भालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन् यस्माद्धर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्यक्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अथ दर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै. So in the last stanza we saw how first two the Bali says ask for anything you want, wealth, house, land, etc. And then on hearing that, Krishna says just tripada mihakim, just give me 3 feet of land measurable, because if you ask for everything then everybody will ridicule you. So the third one, Bali is now saying Vishvesham Mam, so the whole world is mine, right? I am the lord of the whole, all the worlds. Kim yachase tripada mihakim. How can you come to me and ask for just 3 feet of land? It is like insulting to me, right? I have the whole world and then you're coming and asking just give me 3 feet of land. That means you're diminishing my value. So he says, Tvam balishaha. So he says you are really a kid, right? Kid not just in stature but also kid in knowledge wise. இவ்வளோ இருந்து நீ வந்து ஒரு கேண்டி கேட்குற மாதிரி just 3 feet தான் you are coming and asking me. So அப்படின்னு Bali is saying, what use is this to you? And then Sarvam Bhumim Vrinu, ask for the whole earth because I can actually give you the whole earth. Appadina he said very proudly. So this pride, Yasma Darpa, this pride of Bali, right, is what eventually results in Tripadam Paripurti Akshamaha. Even eventually this pride, because of this pride, he was eventually not able to give even the 3 feet of land. But the part is saying here, and this then resulted in he eventually got insulted and then all that stuff because of this pride that he had. So and here he says, even though Bali did not deserve this, because Bali had actually completed 99 Ashwamedha Yaga and this was the 100th he was doing, and he was a descendant of Prahlada and everything. So here's, even though Bali technically some may argue does not deserve this, this happened because only by getting ridiculed, he will get complete detachment and eventually merge with the Lord. So another, he needed this last kind of a shock to kind of remove his complete pride away. Adhanalada this incident happened. Appadina Bhadrapad is saying here. So Vishvesham Mam Tripadam Iha Kim, comma Yachase Balishastvam Sarvam Bhumim Vrinu, comma Kim amunet. Okay, if you want to break it, or you can say it together as Kimamunet Yalapat Tvam Sadripyan. Kimamunet Yalapat Tvam Sadripyan. Anga double half tark. Last time I think we broke it into 2 lines and did it, right? Or did we do it as 4 lines? I forgot.
We broke it into 2.
2, okay. Vishvesham mam tripadamiha kim yachase balishastvam sarvam bhumim vrinu kimamunetyalapatvam sadripyan.
Vishvesham mam tripadamiha kim yachase balishastvam sarvam bhumim vrinu kimamunet yalapatvam sadrupyan.
Actually the second line I think first sarvam and the word is sarvam, not sarvam, sarvam. And then you pause after that vrinu, sarvam bhumim vrinu, pause பண்ணிட்டு kimamunet yalapatvam sadripyan.
Okay. Vishvesham mam tripadamiha kim yachase balishastvam sarvam bhumim vrinu kimamunet yalapatvam sadrupyan.
Vishvesham mam tripadamiha kim yachase balishastvam sarvam bhumim vrinu किममुनेत्यालपत्त्वां सदृश्यन् तृप्यन् विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्त्वां सतृप्यन्
यस्माद् दर्पात् comma त्रिपद परिपूर्त्य क्षमः comma. So it means the ksha, next word ksha vandadunaka, you should not join it for the sandhi rules. You have to say that visarga in the previous letter. So tripada paripurtya kshamaha comma kshepavadan comma bandham chasa vagamat anga the irukum in Sanskrit la. So bandham chasa vagamat it, put a it there and put a comma. Chasa vagamat comma atha, then put an a. Atha darhopi gadhopa shantiyai.
இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்களேன் அந்த தேர்ட் லைன்.
அதான் அந்த தேர்டா ஃபோர்த்தா?
தேர்ட் லைன் பந்தம்.
ஓ ஃபோர்த், அது ஃபோர்த் லைன். பந்தம்
ஓகே
சாசா vagamat it
ஓகே
it and then comma, pause there, then atha darhopi gadhopa shantiyai a. So the வந்து you're breaking it to it plus a. Okay. यस्माद् दर्पात् त्रिपद परिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अथ दर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै.
ओके. यस्माद् दर्पात् त्रिपद परिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेभवातान् बन्धं चासावगमत्
if you say it in the tune vagamat nu vandrum automatic adu bandham
chasavamagat ahattarhopi ghatopasayantyaihi
gadopashantyai
shantyai. Okay. Yasmat darpat tritapada परिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेभवादान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अहत्तर्होऽपि घाटोपशान्त्यै.
atha, okay, அந்த இடத்துல நீங்க அடணும் வேற நோக்கி atha darhopi.
atha darhopi. Okay.
यस्मादर्पात् त्रिपद परिपूर्त्य क्षमः यस्मादर्पात् त्रिपद परिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अथ दर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै. यस्मादर्पात् त्रिपद परिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अथ दर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै. I think I got a tune wrong.
Yeah, and the third line வந்து அந்த பரிபூர்த்திய க்ஷமஹ, keep it at that higher instead of bringing it down, like
Okay.
பரிபூர்த்திய க்ஷமஹ க்ஷேபவாதான் அதே level. If you bring it பரிபூர்த்திய க்ஷமஹ அப்படி கீழே கொண்டு வந்தா then அந்த tune உங்களுக்கு, that's why you are missing that tune அந்த இடத்துல.
Okay.
Because of that. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Rajesh, பரிபூர்த்திய க்ஷமஹ கமா இல்லையா அந்த இடத்துல?
பரிபூர்த்திய க்ஷமஹ and then you have to pause there.
Pause.
And then க்ஷேபவாதான். Stanza 4. पादत्रय्या यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येते इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते दातु कामे ततोऽयं दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामाधेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवा भभाषे. So now Varada, one who bestows all the boons, you said ityuktesmin. So you said this to Bali then. When Bali says, how can, you are a simpleton, how can you just ask for 3 feet? He says, Padatraya edina mudito. If one is not satisfied with just 3 feet or 3, steps of land, then Vishtapai napi tushel. Even giving the whole world, he's not going to get satisfied. So just, I'm a small boy. So like 3 feet of land, that is sufficient for me. And then Krishna, Vamana says here. And then at that time, Bali then says, okay, I'm going to give you that. And then Bhavate Dhatu Kameta Toyam. So and then in the offerings you put sprinkle some water. So Bali takes Toyam, which is water, he's about to give it to Vamana. So now here Bhattacharya says, Thava Kalu Pariksharthinam. So you, O Krishna, you decided to test Bali, and so because of your prerana, because of your prompting, Daitya Acharya, the Acharya of the Daityas, which is Shukracharya goes and tells Bali that Mama Deyam, do not give it to this person, right? So Hari Ayamiti, this is Hari. And if you come and he's come in the form of Vamana, and if you give it to him, then everything is going to be lost for the Asura clan. Appadina, Shukracharya is coming and then telling him not to give. And here Bhattacharya says, it is actually your work, O Krishna. You are trying to test Bali once more, just to make sure, is he refusing to give, or is he, he says he wants to give it or not. That is 4. So, Pada Traya Yadi na Mudito, comma, Vishtaphair Napi Tushyeth. So, on the Tushyen, you can put a it there. So, Tushyeth, put a comma. Next line, Dityuktesmin, D, next line, remove the D and put E. So, Ityuktesmin. So, first line ends with Vishtaphair Napi Tushyeth, comma. Next line, Ityuktesmin, Varada, comma after Varada, Bhavate Dhatu Kameta Toyam. Padatraya Yadina Mudito Vishtaphairnapi Tushyet Ityuktesmin Varada Bhavate Dhatu Kameta Toyam.
पादत्रया यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् भवते दातु कामे ततोऽयम् पादत्रया यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते Dhatu kame tatoyam.
The pause on the after Varada, Srividya.
மாத்திட்டேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒழுங்கா சொன்னேன், செகண்ட் தப்பா சொல்லிட்டேன்.
पादत्रय्या यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातु कामे ततोऽयम् पादत्रय्या यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातु कामे ततोऽयम्.
Third line. Daityacharya, and the charyas in the potrukkum. Is irundadunaka, if you have is in your book, then make it a visarga, remove that is. So Daityacharya, comma, Tava Khalu Parikshartinaha irukkum. Put a F there to join. So Tava Khalu Parikshartinah Preranatham. Preranatham. Anga full ta and half ta. So Preranatham, comma. Mama Deyam Harirayam iti. Harirayam iti, comma. Vyaktam eva bhabashe. Vyaktam eva bhabashe or Vyaktam eva bhabashe. Change children. Daityacharya Tava Khalu Parikshartinah Preranatham Mama Deyam Harirayam iti. Vyaktam eva bhabashe.
दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणातुं मामादोऽयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवाबभाषे
sorry, first third line வந்து preranatham ta
प्रेरणार्थं
tam, and then mama deyam, not doyam, deyam.
okay. दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थितनुः प्रेरणातं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवाबभाषे
दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवावभाषे दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवावभाषे.
The Harirayam Miti Kapra pause irukku. Okay, so just put a comma there. Stanza 5. Yachatevam yadi sa bhagavan purnakамosmi soham dasyameva stiramidi vadan kavya shaptopi dhaityah vindhyavalya nijadaitaya dattapadhyaya tubhyam chitram chitram Sakalamapi sa prarpayatto ya purvam. So here then Bali says, and Shukracharya tells him, don't give it. This is Hari Rayam. This is Hari himself. And Bali says, Evam Yadisa Bhagavan. If this is indeed that Bhagavan who has everything, who himself has all the wealth and everything he wants, then Purna Kamaha Asmi. And then if he's coming to me and coming and asking me for something, then I am the one whose desires are fulfilled. It's not like I am fulfilling his desire. My desires are fulfilled because Bhagavane vandu engata kekrar, give me something, right? So when such a thing is happening, how can I say no to the God itself? So that's why even if it is God, let it be, right? I'm happy, actually even more happy to give it. So appdin solittu Bali says. So Shukracharya Kavya Shaktavi Daityaha. So he curses Bali saying, okay, na cholradhu, even though I tried several times, you're still going to go. This is going to be the end of you, right? The entire Asura clan, now whatever power we had, we'll end up going to be losing after the end of this. Aprincholi, Shukracharya curses him. And then Datta Padhyaya Tubhyam. So now the water which has been used to washing the feet, and then his wife Vindhyavalya, so he Bali along with his wife Vindhyavalya give all the offerings. So before giving this something, the initial tambulam mari ellam vettala paakala bichu kudukra mari, along with the water he gives everything to Vamana here. So Chitram, how wonderful the sight it was to see this. So Yachat Evam Yadi sa Bhagavan, comma, Purna Kamosmi Soham, comma, Dasyam Eva Stiram iti vadan, Stiram iti, he was saying very firmly, Stiram iti vadan, comma, Kavya Shaptopi Daityaha, Yachatyevam yadi sa Bhagavan Purnakamosmi soham Dasyameva stiramiti vadan Kavya Shaptopi Daityaha.
याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशक्तोऽपि दैत्यः याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्याशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः
याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः याच्यत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः
विन्द्यावल्या निज दयितया दत्तपाध्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत् तोयपूर्वम् विन्ध्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाध्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत् तोयपूर्वम्
विन्द्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाध्यायतुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्भयत्तोयपूर्वम् विन्द्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाध्यायतुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत्तोयपूर्वम्
சித்திரம் அப்புறம் இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் லைக் ஒரு எஃபெக்ட்டுக்கு ஒரு பாஸ்
चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत्तोयपूर्वम्.
Quick question, Rajesh. அந்த சகலம் அப்பி சாக்கு அப்புறம் விசர்க்கம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, எஃப் போடணுமா இல்ல சாவோட அப்படி நிறுத்தணுமா?
என்னோடதுல விசர்க்கம் இல்ல, உங்களோட விசர்க்கம் இருக்கா?
ஆமா,
என்னோடதுலயும் இல்ல.
So but it's not
பட்
there.
ஆன்லைன் வெர்ஷன்ல சாக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு இது இருக்கு, அதுக்காக கேட்டேன்.
Okay, you can just remove it off. I think some books might have it, but ரெண்டு மூணு bookல நாங்க பார்த்ததுல வந்து it was not there, so you can just remove that visargam there in that sa.
இங்க இல்ல, என்னோடதுல இல்ல.
அதான், so சகலம் அப்பி ச பிரார்ப்பயத் தோயபூர்வம், அவ்வளவுதான்.
அந்த சகலம் அப்பி சக்கு அப்புறம் பாஸ் இருக்கா ராஜேஷ்?
இல்ல it is just there's no pause there. சித்ரம் சகலம் அப்பி ச பிரார்ப்பயத் தோயபூர்வம்.
Okay,
say it continuously.
विन्द्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाध्यायतुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्राप्यत्तोयपूर्वम्.
For third line padhyaya dya danya dya
पाध्याय. Okay.
again chitram kapram pause பண்ணுங்க, not after sakalam apisa. So you pause at chitram, that way you won't pause later.
Okay. विन्द्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाध्यायतुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्राप्यत्तोयपूर्वम्.
I think you said prarpyat nu sonna mari irundhudu. It's not a half pause.
प्राप्यत्तोय.
Prarpayat full pa.
प्रापयत्तोयम्. प्रार्पयत्तोयम्.
Stanza 6. Nissandeham ditikulapatau त्वय्यशेषार्पणं तद् व्यातन्वाने मुमुचर्षयः सामराः पुष्पवर्षं दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदितं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैः आवृतदवधीकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डम्. So that Ditikulapatau, the one who is the king of all the asuras, Bali, Nissandeham, he now had absolutely no doubt, without any hesitation, Twai Arpanam, he gave everything to you, right? And when that happened, Samara, Mumuchu, Pushpa Varsham, all the devas and all got happy because now they know that this is going to be the end of it, right? So they all showered flowers. Tat idam, whatever this that was seen by Vishwabhaja, by the entire world. So whatever this particular form of the Lord, which was seen by the entire world, Divyam Rupam, your form as Vamana, Uchchaihi, Avadrat, it started growing bigger and bigger, started increasing in size. And it started expanding to the Vishwa Andhabandam. So the entire world, cosmic world, it started taking the size of that, right? So whatever was a small boy started growing bigger and bigger in size till it started occupying the whole universe, and the entire Vishwa Anda, the entire Andam, it started occupying. So Nissandeham Diti Kulapatau, comma, Tvaya Shesharpanam Tad, and then put a plus there. So Tvaya Shesharpanam Tad plus Vyatanvane. And then after Vyatanvane, put a comma. Pause after Vyatanvane. Mumuchur Rishayaha irukku. So Mumuchur Rishayas, because in the Samara were the next. So Mumuchur Rishayas Samaraf. Put an F there after Samara. Samaraf Pushpavarsham. Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvaya Shesharpanam Tade Vyatanvane Mumuchurrishayas Samaraf Pushpavarsham.
Nissandeham Didi Kulapadau Tvaya Shesharpanam Tad Vyatanvane Mumuchur Rushayas Samaraf Pushpavarsham. Nissandeham Didi Kulapadau Tvaya Shesharpanam Tad Vyatanvan Tat Vyatanvane Mumuchur Rushayas Samaraf Pushpavarsham.
Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvaya Shesharpanam Tad Vyaptanvane Mumuchurrishayas Samaraf Pushpavarsham. Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvaya Shesharpanam Tad Vyaptanvane Mumuchurrishayas Samaraf Pushpavarsham.
Divyam Rupam Tava Cha Tadidam, comma, Pashyatam Vishwabhajam. So put a im there at the end of the third line. Vishwabhajam im, and then comma. Next line la mu. If you have mu, remove that mu and make it u. Just u. So Vishwabhajam, third line, comma. Fourth line, Uchair Uchaihi. And the first Uchair, then when you have Uchair, another Uchair, and the irra vandu remove panni, you can put a visarga there. So it becomes Uchair Uchaihi. Okay, and comma. So Uchair Uchaihi, comma. Then next word starts with a. So Avrida Dhavadi Kritya Vishwanda Bandam. It starts with a because in the irra vandu you are breaking into visarga and a. So I'll repeat this. Divyam Rupam Tavacha Taditam, comma, Pashyatam Vishwabhajam, im, comma, Uchair Uchaihi, comma, Avrida Dhavadi Kritya Vishwanda Bhandam. Divyam Rupam Tavacha Tadidam, Pashyatam Vishwabhajam, Uchair Uchaihi, Abridadhavadhi Kritya Vishwandhabhandam.
Divyam Rupam Tava Chadaditam Pashyatam Vishwabhajam Uchair Uchaihi Abritadhavati Kritya Vishwandabhandam. Divyam Rupam Tava Chadaditam Pashyatam Vishwabhajam Uchair Uchaihi Abritadhavati Kritya Vishwandabhandam.
दिव्यं रूपं तव च ददितं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैरुच्चैः अवृदवदीकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डम् दिव्यं रूपं तव च ददितं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैरुच्चैः अवृदवदीकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डम्
Stanza 7. त्वत्पादाग्रं निजपदगतं पुण्डरीकोद्भवोऽसौ कुण्डीतोयैः आसिचदपुनाद्यज्जलं विश्वलोकान् हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते केचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् बेरीं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली. So tvat pada agram, in the tip of your foot, right? If your foot, nija padagatam, its land, Satyaloka. So in the tip of your feet, the Lord was so big in size, the tip of your foot reached Satyaloka. So Pundari Kodbavaha. So the Pundari Kodbava referring to Brahma here. So Brahma Kundi Toyahi, the Toyam from his Kamandalam, right? From his jug. So the water from the jug, he then washed your feet. So when the tip of your feet reached Satyaloka, so Brahma, the water from this the jug, he washed your feet. So that yet jalam, that water, apunat vishwalokan, which then purifies all the words. This was already said earlier, right? It was when Bali washed Vamana's feet. So he then tanniyala idu pannar, he washed it. This is the water which purifies the whole world. So Kates of the Gandharvas and everybody were like, Harshot Karsha, they were all happy, they were all dancing. And then the Jambavan, who's Bhaktishali, who's a very famous devotee. So he then, Bhuvanam Nignan, he went around the world beating the drums and communicating this to people. So Jambavan, along with Parashuram and Hanuman, have come in multiple avatarams, they come. Right? So they come in Rama Avataram, they come in Krishna Avataram, and they were also there. இங்கே படிச்சேன் கூர்மா அவதாரத்தில் வந்து when it was happening they were there looking at it, not participating. So in the இடத்துல Jambavan is a famous devotee, so he goes around happily telling everybody. So tvat padagram nija padagatam comma pundari kodbavo sau comma குண்டி தோயைஹி, அங்க தோயைர் இருக்கும், ர இருக்கும் அங்க. So remove it, put a visarga. Kundi toyaihi, comma. Then you can break that next word as into asichat apunad yajjalam. Because it's a difficult word to say, so I'm just going to break it for you. Asichat apunad, and the dia irukle, so you can break that into the and ya. So asichat apunad yajjalam vishwalokan. So
Rajesh, asichata punat
asichat ஒரு word.
acha
Apunad. Start with the apunad yajjalam vishwalokan. Okay, this is just so that you can practice saying it word by word. Once you get familiarized, you can say it faster. The entire word will flow in as a single word. Tvatpadagram nijapadagatam pundarikoద్భవోऽसौ kunditoyaihi asichat apunad yajjalam vishwalokan.
त्वत्पादाग्रं निजपदगधं पुण्डरीकोद्भवोऽसौ कुण्डीतोयैः असिजदपुनात्यज्जलं विश्वलोकान्. त्वत्पादाग्रं निजपदगतं पुण्डरीकोद्भवोऽसौ कुण्डीतोयैः असिजदपुनात्यज्जलं विश्वलोकान्.
त्वत्पादाग्रं निजपदगतं पुण्डरीकोद्भवोऽसौ कुण्डितोयैः असि च दपुनात् यच्चलं विश्वलोकान् त्वत्पादाग्रं निजपदगतं पुण्डरीकोद्भवोऽसौ कुण्डितो यैः असि च तद्दपुनात् यच्चलं विश्वलोकान्
பசி சதப்புனாத் சேர்த்து சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா?
சேர்ந்து சொல்லிக்கலாம். If you can say it together of asijada punad அப்படின்னு சேர்ந்து சொல்றதா you can say it together also. I just broke it in case இப்ப learn பண்றதுக்கு அவ்வளவுதான்.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबाहु न नृते केचरैहि. So இந்த இர் இருக்கு, so இந்த ரூ இருக்குமாங்க, so make it கேச்சரைஹி visarga, put a comma, and then utsavesmin, next word starts with u, utsavesmin, and then comma. So harshotkarshat subahu nanrute kecharaihi utsavesmin, comma, bherim nignan, comma, bhuvanam acharaj Jambavan Bhaktishali. இது கொஞ்சம் சொல்றது tune வந்து little bit off because this chapter is neither the big one nor the small one, so அதனால கொஞ்சம். So harshotkarshat subahunanute kecharaihi utsavesmin bherim nignan bhuvanamachara jambavan bhaktishali. Actually, in the Harshot Karshat kapram also you can put a comma there. That might be better. So put a comma after Harshot Karshat. Okay, then you can say it as Harshot Karshat Subahunarute Kecharaihi Utsavesmin Bherim Nignan Bhuvanamachara Jambavan Bhaktishali.
Harshot Karshat Subahunarute केचरैहि இல்ல हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते केचरैहि उत्सवेऽस्मिन् भेरीं निघ्नन् भुवनमचर जाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली. हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते केचरैहि उत्सवेऽस्मिन् भेरीं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरत् जाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली.
The Berim Nignan kapram pause பண்ணிக்கணும் ஸ்ரீஜி.
ராஜேஷ் சாரி, அந்த தேர்ட் லைன்ல கேச்சரை ருத்தாஸ் வேஸ்மின் அப்படின்ட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
ஆமா,
கேச்சரை ருத்தா
இல்ல so you make it kecharaihi first,
கேச்சரைஹி, okay,
and then put a comma,
okay,
and then make it utsavesmin,
okay,
utsavesmin.
உத்சவே அந்த ரூ என்ன ஆறுது? அந்த
ரூ வந்து you break it into a ir and a u, and the ir வந்து becomes a visarga.
Okay, okay,
it's just a joining letter for the
okay,
visarga.
okay, thank you.
हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते केचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् भेरीं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली. हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते केचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् भेरीं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली.
तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते भर्तुरारब्धयुद्धाः देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः सङ्गता भङ्गमापन् कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जिता स्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेतपातालमापुः. So then the asuras who were there supporting Bali, anumatim rite, without getting the permission of their master, without getting the permission of Bali, they started to have a fight. Arabdha yuddhaha, they decided to start a fight with Vamana. So Bhavat Anucharaihi, so your messengers immediately came there, and then they got the Bangamapan, they defeated the asuras. And when the asuras got defeated, then Bali says Kalat Mayam Vasati Purataha. So the time incarnate itself is standing in front of us, right? So yat vashat pragjitasmaha. So by whose favor? So he has helped us in the past. It has helped the asuras in the past, like Prahlada and other people. He has helped in the past, and he's also defeated the asuras also several times. So in the Mari, this person is standing in front. Kim vaha yuddhehi. What is the use of us fighting? It is going to be of no use of us fighting. So stop fighting. By listening to Bali's words, those asuras then go back to Patalam. So they stop the fight and they go back. So Tavad Daityas Tvanu Matimrithe. Tvanu Matimrithe, comma, Barturarabdha Yuddhaha. Barturarabdha Yuddhaha, comma, Devo Petair Bhavadanucharaihi. Again, is irukkumanga. So Devo Petair Bhavadanucharaihi, comma, Sangatha Bhangamapan. Tavadaityastvanu Bharturarabdayuddhaha Devopetair Bhavadanucharaihi Sangata Bhangamapan.
तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते वर्धुराब्ध युद्धा देवोपेदैर्भवतनुचरैः संगदा भंगमापन्.
First line வந்து Bharturarabdha.
Okay.
Bharturarabdha Yuddhaha. அங்க ஒரு விசர்கா இருக்கு, Yuddhaha.
Yuddhaha. Okay. Okay. तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते वर्धुरारब्धयुद्धाः देवोपेदैर्भवतनुचरैः संगदा भंगमापन्.
तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते भर्तुरारब्धयुद्धाः देवोत्पेतैर्भवदनुचरैः संगता भंगमापन्. तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते भर्तुरारब्धयुद्धाः देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः संगता भंगमापन्.
Kalat mayam vasati purato, comma, yadvashat pragjitas smaha. So pragjitaha irukku, you can put a is there to join. So pragjitas smaha, comma, kimvo yuddhair iti baligira, comma, teta patalamapuhu. Kalatmayam vasati purato yadvashat pragjita smaha kimbo yuddhairiti bhaligira teta patalamapuhu.
कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जिता स्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेत पातालमापुः. कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जिता स्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेत पातालमापुः.
कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जिता स्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेथ पातालमापुः. कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जिता स्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेथ पातालमापुः.
Kimvo yuddhair iti baligira. Kimvo yuddhair riti. Yuddhair iti.
ராஜேஷ், இந்த செகண்ட் லைன்ல தேவோ பேதை பவதனுச்சரை சங்கதா அப்படியே படிக்கலாமா?
படிக்கலாம், but அங்க வந்து அந்த for the tune only we remove the is வந்து is put together because this actually it's devo peter bhavadanucharaihi sangata. Those are the two words. And the is வந்து they put only to join. That's a sandhi பண்றதுக்கு is தான், அவ்வளவுதான் அது. So நம்ம அந்த tuneக்காக we just stopping there and putting a comma.
देवो पेदै भवदनुचरैः चरैः संगदावा.
Sangata bhangamapan.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. 9. Okay. पाशैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादीः तातीर्हीकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन्नस्तभित्वाम्. So first in here, so this Vamana avataram now, he takes the first step and puts it on earth. And the second step goes into Amravati or heaven, which also was under Bali's control. At that time, Pashai Bhaddam. So Bali was then tied with a rope by Garuda. So Bali was tied. And then Daityam, to that Daitya, to the Asura, Uchchehi Avadi. So the Lord now asked in a loud voice, Tatirikam, my third foot, the third place where I'm going to keep, Disha Mama Padam, tell me where I should be putting this feet, because the first 2 feet had already occupied the entire, all that Bali had. So the earth and the heaven were fully occupied. So he asked, where do I put my third feet? Kimna Vishweshwarosi, didn't you say that you are the Lord of all the worlds? So you said you are the Lord of all the worlds, but now I don't have any place to put my third feet. So where do I put it? So Padam Murdnim Bhagavan, oh Lord, put your feet on my head, on my Murdni, on my head. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Bali said, iti akampam vadantan. He was not fearful, he was not trembling, but very firmly and confidently Bali said, you can place the foot on my head. அப்படின்னு Bali says, and the Lord then, at that time, Prahladaha Swayam Upagataha. So because Prahlada is the grandfather of Bali, so Prahlada himself came at that time, and then Manayan Astavitvam, he came and he praises the Lord and sings his praises. So in Vamana Avataram, when the God keeps his feet on Bali's head, then Bali goes back to Patala. And then adukapram there's a big story of what happens after that, which is not covered in here. So this is the main event of the chapter. So Pashair Bhaddam Pata Gapatina, comma, Daityam Uchchaira Vadihi. Next line is irukum. You can remove the is if you have it. Remove the is from the second line. Put a visarga in the first line. So Daityam Uchchaira Vadihi, comma. Next line is gone. Tatir Ekam Disha Mama Padam, comma. Kimna Vishweshwarosi. Pashairbhaddam patagapatina dhaityamuchchairavaadihi tatirikam dishamama padam kimna vishweshwarosi.
Rajesh, is it tartiyikam or tatirikam? There is an ir.
Tartiyikam.
Tartiyikam. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, tartiyikam.
Okay. पाशैर्बद्धं पदगभदिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादीः तार्तीयिकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि. पाशैर्बद्धं पदगभदिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादीः तार्तीयिकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि.
पाशैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादीः तार्तीयिकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि. पाशैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादीः तार्तीयिकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि
पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् அங்க வந்து ரெண்டு இன் இருக்கும். ஸோ பகவன் நித்திய கம்பம் அப்படின்னு போட்டிருக்கும். ஸோ வி கோயிங் டு பிரேக் இட் ஆஃப் தேர். ஸோ பகவன் put a comma there, one in, put a comma. Next word becomes ityakampam vadantam, e. So pashayad murdni pranaya bhagavan, comma, ityakampam vadantam, comma, prahladastam swayam upagato, comma, manayan nastavitvam, manayan nastavitvam. पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन्नस्तवीत्वाम्.
पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्त्वं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन्नस्तवीत्वम्.
प्रह्लादस्तं and then the endல வந்து துவாம் மானயன் நஸ்தவீத் துவாம்.
Okay. पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन्नस्तवीत्वाम्.
पादं मूर्ध्नि प्राप्य भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमपुगतो मानयन् नस्तवीत्वाम्.
स्वयं उपगतो
उपगतो கழிச்சு ஒரு கமா இருக்கா?
ஆமா இருக்கு. स्वयं उपगतो प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयं उपगतो.
पादं मूर्ध्नि प्राप्य भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्त्वं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन्नस्तवीत्वाम्.
Third line Shivitya pranaya. Padam murti
Pranaya, sorry.
And remember that prahladastam, not prahladastvam. Okay, that will change the meaning. Okay, stam.
Okay.
So stanza 10. Darpochityai vihitam akilam daitya siddhosi punyaihi lokaste stutridiva vijayi vasavatvam cha paschat मत्सायुज्यं भजस पुनरित्यन्व घृह्णा बलिं तं विप्रै सन्तानितमकवरः पाहि वातालयेश. So darpo chitte vihitam akilam. So all the entire pride that you had, O Bali, to completely eliminate and completely remove the pride, all this was done. Appadina the Vamana Krishna Vishnu is telling here, to completely eliminate your pride, all this was happened. However, Daitya, you, O Asura, Siddhaha Asipunya, you have done a lot of good deeds. Apipunyehi, you have done a lot of good deeds. So because of that, you go to the Sutala world, right? Lokaha te astu. You go to the Sutala world and there you will rule. And then Tridiva Vijayi, and then it will become an even better place compared to the heaven. And then you will eventually start attaining better statures. And then cha paschat vasa. So later on in the next Manvantara, you will become like the next Indra and then eventually attain moksha with me. Appdin sollittu Bali is sent to the Patala Loka. Thus Anva Grinna. Thus Bali is blessed and then he is sent to the Patala Loka. Then Viprais, then the Lord helps complete that Ashwamedha Yaga. So Bali first completes the Ashwamedha Yaga. The God helps him complete with all the priests. Oh Pahi Vatalayesha. Oh that Lord of Guruvayur, please help me here. So Darpoch Chityai, Vihitam Akilam, comma, Daitya Siddhosi Punyehi. Next line இந்த லோகஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு லோக் முன்னாடி ஒரு மேல ஒரு இர் இருக்கும், குட்டி இர் இருக்கும். In Sanskrit at least you can remove that small ir off in the next line and make it siddhosi punyehi, put a visarga, comma. Next line lokastestu tridiva vijayi, comma. वासवत्वं च पश्चात् दर्पोच्छित्यै विहितमखिलं दैत्यसिद्धोऽसि पुण्यैः लोकस्तेस्तु त्रिदिव विजयी वासवत्वं च पश्चात्
दर्पोच्चित्यै विहितमखिलं दैत्यसिद्धोऽसि पुण्यैः लोकस्तेस्तु त्रिधिव विजयी वासवत्वं च पश्चात् दर्पोच्चित्यै विहितमखिलं दैत्यसिद्धोऽसि पुण्यैः लोकस्तेस्तु त्रिधव विजयी त्रिधिव विजयी वासवत्वं च पश्चात्
दर्पोच्चित्यै विहितमखिलं दैत्यसिद्धोऽसि पुण्यैः लोकस्तेस्तु त्रिदिव विजयी वासवत्वं च पश्चात् दर्पोच्चित्यै विहितमखिलं दैत्यसिद्धोऽसि पुण्यैः लोकस्तेस्तु त्रिदिव विजयी वासवत्वं च पश्चात्
मत्सायुज्यं भज च पुनरित yenva ghrina. It's difficult to break it because of the sandhi, so you have to say it pretty much in one word. That punarit yenva ghrina balim tam comma viprais santanita makha varaha comma pahivatalesha.
Rajesh, in the third line la naduvla enga comma varudhu?
Kamala, the third line you say it pretty much in one
together shot. Okay.
Yeah. So balim tam kapram comma, then makhavaraha kapram comma, fourth line le. So matsayujyam bhajasa punarit yanva ghrina balim tam viprai santanita makhavaraha pahivatalesha.
मत्सायुज्यं भज च पुनरित यन्वघृण्णा बलिं तं विप्रैः सन्धानितमकवरः पाहि वातालयेश. करेक्टा?
Correct.
मत्सायुज्यं भज च पुनरित यन्वघृण्णा बलिं तं विप्रैः सन्तानितमकवरः पाहि वातालयेश.
मत्सायुज्यं भज च पुनरित यन्वगृह्णा बलिं तं विप्रैः सन्तानितमखवरः पाहि वातालयेश. मत्सायुज्यं भज च पुनरित यन्वगृह्णा बलिं तं विप्रैः सन्तानितमकवरः पाहि वातालयेश.
That completes this chapter. So we'll end it here. So I'll say this chapter once and then we'll end the class. Pritya daityah tavatанумah prekshanaat sarvatapi tvamaradhyannajita rachayannanjalim sanjagada mattah kim te samabilashitam viprasuno vadatvam vittam bhaktam bhavanamavanim vapi sarvam pradasye kamakshīnām bhaligiramupakarnya कारुण्यपूर्णोऽपि अस्योत्सेकं शमयितुमना दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन् भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थयामासित त्वं सर्वं देहीति तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात् विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे भालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन् यस्माद्धर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवाधान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अथ दर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै पादत्रय्या यदि न मुदितो बिष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते दातु कामे ततो ह्यं दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणात्तं मामाधेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवाभभाषे याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्यामेव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशप्तोऽपि दैत्यः विन्ध्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाध्यायतोभ्यं चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत्तो ह्यपूर्वं निस्सन्देहं दितिकुलपतौ त्वय्यशेषार्पणं तद् व्यातन्वाने मुमुचुर्षयः सामराः पुष्पवर्षं दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदिदं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैः अवृददवधीकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डम् त्वत्पादाग्रं निजपदगतं पुण्डरीकोद्भवोऽसौ कुण्डीतो हि असिजदपुनाद्यज्जलं विश्वलोकान् हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननुते केचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् भेरीं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरज्जाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते भर्तुरारब्धयुद्धाः देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः सङ्गता भङ्गमापन् कालात्माह्यं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जिता स्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेतपातालमापुः पाशैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादीः तार्तीकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन्नस्तमीत्वां दर्पोच्छित्यै विहितमखिलं दैत्यसिद्धोऽसि पुण्यैः लोकस्तेस्तु त्रिदिव विजयी वासवत्वं च पश्चात् मत्सायुज्यं भजस पुनरित्यन्व गृह्णाबलिं तं विप्रैः सन्तानितमकवरः पाहि वातालयेश श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. That completes it. We'll close it with Sandrananda. Sandranandavabodhatmakamanupamitam कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम् कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. Thank you everybody. We'll meet next class.
Thank you.
Thank you.